Good morning to one and all present here. I am Jagdishwari from the Department of Civil Engineering. Today I am going to take a topic about from the unit 3 of GE 3751 Principles of Management from the topic Organizing. So first we are going to what is meant by organizing. So the organizing it means we have to decide how best to group organizational activities and resources. So the process by which the managers establish the working relationship among both employees, then to have to achieve the goals. The four peoples they said from Kuhns and O'Donnell, what they said about the organizing means grouping of activities. It is necessary to attain any objectives and assignment of each grouping to a manager with authority necessary to supervise it and provision for coordination with horizontally and vertically in the enterprise structure. So next we are going to see about nature of organizing. So what is my nature of organizing? It includes first one is group of persons, then common objectives and division of work, then coordination, communication, central authority and rules and regulations and environment. These are the nature of organizing includes. Then we have to divide it into 8 types. Then we have to going to say about common objectives. In common objectives, every organization has a common objectives. The common goal is the basis of cooperations among the members. So then a group of persons, it includes an organization is a group of people working together for the achievement of common objectives. So then next we are going to say about division of work. So already I said that in nature of organizing, we have divided into 8 groups. First one is group of person, common objectives and division of work, coordination, communication, central authority and rules and regulation and environment. So then fourth one is division of work. So the division of work means the total task is divided into members of the group, and division of work is necessary not only because one individual we cannot do all the work. So but specialization it result with efficiency and effectiveness. Then only division of work is worked. So then we have to go see about coordination. So what is my coordination means the members of an organizations are willing to help each other for achievement of desired goals. Then we have to see about the rules and regulation for the orderly and systematic working of the members. So the rules and regulations are laid down and enforced by the central authority. So what is meant by environmental means it related about economic and social and political and legal factors. So then purpose and importance of organizing. First one is facilities and administrations, encourages growth and diversifications.